The world is on the brink of a digital revolution. A new era of possibilities is about to unfold. This revolution is not just about technology, it's about empowerment, it's about democratizing opportunity. At the heart of this revolution is onpassive, a company poised to redefine the digital landscape. It's not just another tech company, it's a movement. It's a shift in power from the few to the many. onpassive promises a future where success is not a matter of luck, but a matter of access. A future where anyone, regardless of their background, can leverage the power of the internet to achieve their dreams. Remember the early days of the internet? Skepticism abounded. Few grasped its true potential. Fast forward to today, and the internet has transformed our lives. onpassive is poised to have a similar impact. Its ecosystem of AI-powered tools and platforms is set to revolutionize how we do business. Just like the internet connected the world, onpassive will connect businesses to success. This is not hyperbole, it's the logical conclusion of harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. onpassive is not predicting the future, it's building it. Behind every revolution is a visionary leader. For onpassive, that leader is Mr. Ash Mufareh. Driven by a desire to empower the everyday entrepreneur, Mr. Mufareh embarked on a mission. His goal, to level the playing field and make success accessible to all. Years of meticulous planning and development followed. Mr. Mufareh assembled a team of tech experts, engineers and visionaries. Together, they poured their hearts and minds into building the onpassive ecosystem. This is not just a business, it's personal. Mr. Mufareh's dedication to empowering others is the driving force behind onpassive. His vision is clear, a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Section 4. The onpassive arsenal tools for the future. onpassive's suite of digital products is unlike anything the world has seen before. Each tool is powered by artificial intelligence designed to automate and optimize every aspect of online business, from lead generation to customer service. onpassive handles it all. Imagine a world where you never have to worry about traffic generation or marketing campaigns. onpassive's AI does it for you, constantly learning and adapting to ensure maximum results. These tools are not just powerful, they're accessible. onpassive's subscription-based model makes it easy for anyone to leverage the power of AI, regardless of their budget. This is true democratization of opportunity. Section 5. Patience, the bridge to unprecedented success. Rome wasn't built in a day. Similarly, building a digital ecosystem of this magnitude takes time. onpassive has been in development for years, and that time has been spent wisely. Every detail has been meticulously planned and executed. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long-term vision. onpassive is about building a sustainable future, and that requires patience. The rewards will be worth the wait. Those who join onpassive are not just investing in a company, they're investing in a movement that will reshape the digital landscape and empower millions around the world. Section 6. The countdown to a global paradigm shift. The anticipation is palpable. The world is watching, waiting for onpassive to unleash its full potential. When that day comes, it will mark a paradigm shift in the digital world. The future belongs to those who are ready for it. onpassive is not just adapting to the future, it's creating it. Are you ready to be a part of it? The opportunity is here. The time is now. The future of digital success starts with onpassive.